The Certified SolidWorks Expert exam is the top exam certification students can get through SolidWorks. It's really considered to be an exam for a go-to person in an engineering firm. The vast majority of people that have gotten that are professional engineers, not high school or college students.
It was a long process of nightly watching videos to try to understand concepts, to understanding in-depth conceptual knowledge of SolidWorks and figuring out how to do things.
When I came to CT, when Mr. Nuebel was talking about the different opportunities that the engineering courses offer, he talked about how there were a very select few students who actually got the CSWE. So then I kind of made it my goal. I didn't want to leave CT without getting my CSWE.
There have been a grand total of 13 students, as far as I know, that have gotten the CSWE certification in Colorado that have done it while in high school. Of those 13, 8 have come from Cherokee Trail. With our students this year, we've had 4 in the last year that have earned that certification.
Usually if you go out and get it on your own, it's hundreds of dollars per exam. And you need 6 of them to get the final one, so you're looking at $500 just to get them all. So it's just a great thing to go through the school and be able to get them for free while you're still in high school, and then either I can go into college or straight into the workforce having my certification already.
I started using SolidWorks and I never stopped loving it, so I just kept going and going and going.
The SolidWorks program and the CAD program here at Cherokee Trail has offered me many ways to figure out what I want to do in life, my career options, and propelled me above and beyond what I ever thought of to do.
Worldwide, there's only been 4,287 people total that have ever earned the Certified SolidWorks Expert certification.
The CAD program at Cherokee Trail has definitely helped me with my future, because Mr. Nuebel and my former teacher, Mr. Clinton, are very caring and enthusiastic in what they do and do a great job at trying to push their students to excel and move on and really achieve that next level of their education.